Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Layman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2017 Pacifica white. This is a Touring, got a roof rack on it, alloy wheels. We'll have power sliders, power rear hatch. Hopefully the audio is okay on this. Tires are in great shape. This is a nice clean van. Got a backup camera on it. Cloth seats. Let me show you more about it. Like I said, it's got power sliders on it. Bucket seats. Cloth rear bench. There's an overhead DVD. Headphones are here in the bag. It's a nice van. Got the 8 1/4 radio with AM, FM, XM. Hopefully you can see this in the sunshine. Runs media, runs off the Bluetooth. Of course, the climate controls, which are, here on the dash. Pair up to the phone. Got cruise control. Bluetooth for the phone. Got 12,900 miles on it. Automatic headlights. Of course, power windows, power door locks. This is a nice van. Got a tray down below for storage, and storage all the way down to the bottom. Call me on this one. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information, that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.